Lesson 2.4, writing 3-digit numbers. How could you figure out the number shown in this picture of blocks? So we have 400, 400s, 2 tens, and 5 ones. So how do we figure it out? We can figure it out by adding mentally 400 plus 20 plus 5, which will give us 425. And we can also write the same number as 425. And if we want to write the number without the expander, we still have to write it as 425 without the expander. Now look at the picture of blocks above. How many of each type of blocks must be added to create this number? So we will have to compare this and determine how many blocks to be added. They have 400 and here I have 700. 400s and 700. So remain, the 100 blocks will remain 300s to be added. This we had 2 more to make it 4 tens. 2 more 10 blocks and 1 more 1 block to make it 446. Now let's go on to the workout. Number 1, look at the picture of blocks. Write the matching number on the expander. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We write 5, 3 tens, and 6 ones. And we write the same number without the expander as 536. Part B, 3 hundreds, 2 tens, 9 ones. So we write it as 329. Now let's go on to number 2. Number 2, write the matching number in the expander. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 600, 3 tens, and 1 ones. And without the expander, we write it as 631. Part B, we have 100s, we write it as 1. We have 1 ones, so we write it at 1. And how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens. So we write it as 191. Part C, we have how many 10 blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We write it on the 10 place value as 8. How many ones? 4. And how many hundreds? 3. So write it 3. So we have 384. Part D, how many 10 blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 10 blocks. How many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 500. And how many ones? 6. So we write it as 576. Now let's go on to the fast finishers. Write the number to match the picture of blocks. We have 300. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This makes 100. This makes 100. So we have to add it to the 100 blocks, which makes it 4. So we have 4 hundreds, 2 tens, and 4 ones. So we have 424. Now let's go on to the practice 2.4. Practice 2.4. Look at the blocks, write the matching number on the expander. Part A, we have 200s, so we write it 200. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens and 2 ones. So we have 292. Part B, we have 4 hundreds, 4 tens, 7 ones. So we write it as 447. Now let's go on to number 2. Write the matching number on the expander, then write the Hindu Arabic and Thai numeral. For the Thai numeral, I will want the student to do it yourself. The Thai numerals here, you write it yourself. For part A, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 500, so we're going to write 500. 2 tens and 7 ones. So it's going to be 527. Students should write the Thai numerals here. Part B, we have 300s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. Excuse me, 6 tens and 8 ones. So we have 368. The Thai numerals go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 600s, 2 tens, and 5 ones. So we have 625. And the Thai numeral goes here. There you have it, folks.